to cook your party jollof rice, then this recipe is for you. Please watch to the end and learn the easiest method to cook delicious Nigerian jollof rice stew base. All the ingredients used are displayed on the screen. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. To the clean pot, I added some vegetable oil, and the quantity used depends on the quantity of stew base to be cooked. Here I used 1 liter of oil because I'm cooking stew base that will be enough for 5 kg of rice. As I'm waiting for the oil to heat up, I prep my pepper. I sliced 3 large paprika. This is also 4 large Scotch bonnet pepper. It is very hot. I also added 4 onions and garlic, then some garlic and ginger. I blended and set aside. Now the oil is very hot. I added enough chopped onions, then fried until translucent. At this point, the onions has released all its flavors. Then I added some tomatoes paste and fry until it no longer tastes sour or raw. Before now, I have already blended the fresh tomatoes and boiled very well. So when the paste were properly fried, I added the boiled fresh tomatoes and continued to fry. And when they were properly fried, I added the pepper and onions mix. I stirred and tasted. Yes, it tasted good. Then I allowed it to simmer for a few minutes. The sauce is finally ready. I stirred well and added some curry, salt, and seasoning. Yes, so delicious and easy to cook. Have you liked my video? Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Also stay tuned by turning on your notification button so as to be notified once I post a new video. Thank you. Also, encourage me by commenting and dropping your kind questions on the comment section. And please come back to watch how I use these two beans to make this delicious jollof rice. This is a jollof rice recipe that your family and guests will always ask for more after eating. Just try, taste, and see. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. And here I have prepped my rice. I've divided into two portions because I am cooking 5 kilos of rice. So I divided it into two. I'm going to cook it 2 times. Please come back tomorrow to see how I cooked jollof rice. Thank you for watching. Bye.